1, 2, 3. What do you think? It's just so good you have no words. I know. Do you feel bonita?
I feel bonita.
Yeah.
Okay. Today, we're gonna make some mocktails with a very special guest of mine. He is the Glam Daddy. So I am so excited to introduce my very special guest, Mr. Angel, AKA Mac Daddy himself.
Hi. That was an intro. I love that.
Was it good?
Yes.
Did you love it?
I love Hype Me Up, boo.
Did I nail it? Did
Nailed
you
it.
like Glam Daddy?
I loved it. I think I
good.
might need to change my name to that.
I think you should
Yeah.
too. At least put it in the bio.
Insta, for real. Yeah.
Okay, so I am so excited to have you here today. This is your stomping grounds. I mean, I'm already looking at the eye and I'm loving it.
Thank you.
The glitter eye, you guys, look at this. The makeup looks incredible.
Thank you.
So, what do you envision for me?
Okay, I feel like you have great skin.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
giving, are you a model?
I am. In this moment, Carter is a model.
It's giving model.
Thank
It's giving
you.
model. I think we should just kind of like do like maybe a little concealer,
Okay.
maybe a little contour, just to like
Oh.
define a little bit more.
Contour.
Yeah, I don't feel like we can definitely like play up the eyes. I feel like a good little eye moment for you would be good.
I'm obsessed with your eyes, so I want mine to look like yours.
And then I think if you're down for it, we should maybe do a lash.
Oh.
Like a strip lash.
We're doing it. However, our fate is not up to us. It is up to my little handy dandy wheel of love.
Okay.
So, we're gonna spin,
Okay.
and whatever we land on is then what we are going to go with. This wheel of love is based off of all of these incredible mocktails that we have here.
Ooh.
So it's gonna be a mocktail-inspired glam beat session.
I got you.
All right. I can't see it, so you have to let me know.
It's a peach margarita.
That sounds fun.
Yeah.
I like margaritas. I like peach.
Who doesn't love a good margarita moment?
All right, peach margarita, let's do it.
Let's do it. I'm gonna go grab my stuff.
So you have all of your incredible products. I don't know what any of them are.
Okay.
We're diving in.
Okay, so I'm all about effective,
Yes.
quick, easy.
Yes.
We gotta start with some skincare.
Okay.
Because we gotta
Love
preserve the
skincare.
youth.
Yep.
We gotta preserve the youth at all times. So I'm gonna go in with this rich cream from Augustinus Batter.
So you do this every time before you put makeup on.
Skincare before makeup is literally a must.
So spot concealing.
Spot concealing.
I don't know what that means.
So basically, we're just gonna add a little concealer and just like little parts of your face that we can just maybe use a little bit more like of an even tone.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And now we're just gonna tap away.
Oh, okay.
If you wanted to go in with a little bit of foundation, you could maybe just like around the cheeks, just like a little bit. I'm gonna add like the tiniest bit. This is a Dior Forever Glow.
We love Dior.
We love Dior.
We do.
I figured you would like this.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I think the skin is looking great. The last thing that I'm gonna do so that we can move on to the eyes is we're just gonna go in with a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder. So since we pulled peach margarita, I want to play with some like peachy tones for you.
Okay.
I'm gonna use this palette. This is a Patrick Ta palette.
We love Patrick.
We love Patrick. Literally just like adding this little tiny bit of brown. This looks so good. Okay,
Really?
are you ready for the lash?
Okay.
I'm not gonna-
How long are these lashes gonna be? Is it gonna be like?
So the trick with lashes that I think people fail to forget is like, you're not fully committed to the strip. Like you can cut it,
Right.
measure it, cut it. Like you definitely measure it and cut it and you'll get a better fit. Ooh,
like?
okay, the way that just really just pulled it all together.
Really?
I'm actually really excited for you to see this right now.
This is our peach margarita look.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. What do you think? It's just so good you have no words. I know.
Too stunned to speak.
Do you feel bonita?
I feel bonita.
Yeah.
Honestly, the cheeks, everything, the conceal, the foundation, you slayed. You absolutely slayed.
Yay.
Wow. Okay, so I've got a fun little game for us to play.
Okay.
I'm calling it Guessing Glam. We're gonna have a word, and you are gonna try to get me, and I'm gonna try to get you to guess what word it is, and they're all beauty-based words. So I'll go first. Ooh. You know that song, I Will Always Love You,
Yes.
by that artist?
Yes.
Do you remember who that artist used to be married to?
Yes. Bobby Brown?
Bam!
Oh, that's
Wow!
good. Okay. They say Geminis are this. It's like
Two-Face.
Yes.
Ooh, okay, so, right. Ooh, okay, so this is what I said was my favorite part of what you did. It was what we did at the beginning.
Skincare.
Moisturizer.
After
that,
eye
after
cream,
that,
serum.
yes. But after skincare, we talked
washing your
about
face.
we talked about foundation, and then we talked about
Concealer.
Yes. Honestly, I think we killed this game.
We ate.
We ate that.
We 4+4.
We ate that. No,
Yes.
we did. So, I want us to celebrate.
Okay.
So I have a lovely little mocktail cart for
Ooh.
us, and we're just gonna have let's have a little peachy drink to
Let's
match
do
the
it.
peachy margarita glam.
Peach, please.
Yes. Let's make our little mocktail.
Okay, let's do it.
Sweeter the juice.
Let's do it. Let's do it. A couple of those.
Easy. You know I do this on my little Carter's cocktail.
Oh, I know that you are not new to this.
Bam.
Let's shake it.
I'll let you do the honors.
I feel like you're the pro.
Oh, okay, I'll do it.
Cheers
to us.
Cheers. You look beautiful.
Angel, you've been amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You've been amazing.
No, this
was
like,
so much fun.
It was so much fun.
We need
and
to do this again.
I honestly feel really confident. I really do.
That was the goal.
Cheers to that. We love you guys.
Cheers. We love you.